Hey, what's going on, guys? John Erickson here. 6 feet tall, non-union but SAG eligible, and I'm represented by Daniel Hoff. Welcome back to FabTrivia, folks. It's just like the company Q&A without the HR questions. Contestants, fine work in the last round. This round's board is double the dollars and triple the prizes, but beware the troll. He's angry, he's problematic, and could cause a SEV at any moment. Jensen, you're in the lead, so you'll go last. Raisa, you're up. Let's spin that board.
Come on, no trolls. And stop.
For a call from acclaimed action star Vin Diesel, answer this. What's one example of the progress we've made this year?
Well, we lowered the prevalence of hate speech by 50% in the last 3 quarters.
While that is technically correct, I'm so sorry, Raisa. Judges need that to be phrased in the form of a question. Now it's to you, Mari.
Okay, what is, we launched the largest worldwide campaign to promote authoritative information about COVID-19 vaccines.
Great example, Mari. But unfortunately, your answer was not less than 15 words. Jensen, here's your chance to win that celebrity call.
Is he just making up these rules as we go? Okay, form of a question and less than 15 words. What is over 100 million people sign up for local blood donation notifications?
Judges? Nope, that doesn't fly. Though I'm not sure why. I think it was grammar. It's time for our final question. This one comes to us from Jensen's Aunt Sally. She writes, what's being done to prevent COVID misinformation from spreading? Contestants, type the answer on your devices. Let's see those answers.
I have partnered with government officials. I put ban on Sally's QAnon friends. Removed 20 million pieces of COVID misinformation.
Mari and Jensen, you're close, but Raisa, you nailed it. You win every prize on the board. Congratulations.